Hello guys, so do you have a Doordash gift card from a friend or picked one up for yourself and want to add those funds to your accounts? In this video I'm going to show you how to redeem your Doordash gift card step by step. So first we need to find the redemption screen inside your profile settings. So just open up your Doordash app and make sure you're signed in into the main account you actually order food with. And then you just tap on your account right here on the bottom right. After that, guys, scroll through your accounts menu and tap on gift card right here. Or also, depending on the app version, it might be called credits and gift cards. If you're already building a food order, you can also tap view card, scroll down to your total and tap promo or gift card. And then select redeem now. Then guys, you can gently scratch off the silver security panel on the back of your physical card, or open your digital gift card email to find your gift card PIN. Also, if you want to get it and actually redeem it, from here you press on gift card, choose this screen, go here, copy and paste your code right here, and obviously just press redeem. And your gift card instantly converts into Doordash credits and displays a confirmation balance on screen, and these credits will automatically deduct from your next checkout total. And lastly, guys, keep in mind that these gift cards are strictly locked to the original country region where they were purchased, so you won't be able to use them outside of the country you got them in. That is it for this one. Enjoy.